Assalamu alaikum. Hello, welcome to Learn Arabic today. My name is Yusuf. In this lesson, you will learn daily use Arabic verbs with example. Okay, first one, yaqra'u. Yaqra, yaqra'u. Yaqra'u means to read. To read. Yaqra'u means to read. For example, aqra'u kitaban. Aqra'u kitaban. Aqra'u means I read. Aqra'u. First word aqra'u. Aqra'u means I read. Kitaban. Kitaban book. Aqra'u I read. Kitaban a book. Aqra'u kitaban means I read a book. I read a book. Okay. Second word yaktubu. Yaktubu. Yaktubu means to write. To write. Yaktubu means to write. For example, aktubu. Aktubu. Aktubu risalatan. Aktubu risalatan. Aktubu means I write. Risalatan a message. Aktubu risalatan. I write a message. I write a message. Next one, yadurusu. Yadurusu. Yadurusu means to study. To study. Yadurusu to study. For example, adurusul Arabiya. Adurusul Arabiya. Adurusul Arabiya. Adurusu means I study. Adurusu I study Al Arabiya Arabic. I study Arabic. I study Arabic. Next, yashrabu. Yashrabu. Yashrabu means to drink. To drink. Yashrabu means to drink. For example, ashrab. Ashrabul ma'a. Ashrabul ma'a. Ashrabu means I drink. First word ashrabu. Ashrabu means I drink. Al ma'a water. Ashrabul ma'a. I drink what? I drink water. Ashrabu, I drink alma, water. Okay. Next one, yakulu. Yakulu. Yakulu means to eat. To eat. For example, akulu ta'ama. Akulu ta'ama. Akulu means I eat at-ta'ama food. Akulu ta'ama. I eat food. I eat food. Okay. Next one, yanamu. Yanamu. Yanamu means to sleep. To sleep. For example, anamu mubakkiran. Anamu mubakkiran. I sleep early. I sleep early. Anamu mubakkiran. Anamu means I sleep mubakkiran early. I sleep early. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.